Kaon. You like it? Kasi imong sudan.
Can I have more? More.
Yan na.
Very good. Because I'm eating a lot and I'll be strong.
Anak, tinidor oh, dong. Anak, then you bite dayon.
Why do we have the same tinidor? Look!
Oh.
And we have the same spoon. I want that.
Unod ko yan.
Oh, not the skin.
Nagawas.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Not dirty.
It's not dirty.
You can eat it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nagawas tinidor, then you bite.
Where's everyone?
Scared ba?
Why?
Next time when there is a dog, just stand still or relax. Okay? Do not show that you are fighting because the dog sometimes look scared the dog will attack you.
Attack!
Kulang man yung rice.
There, sakpan na eh.
Tora?
Hindi bite.
Kaluoy sa dabing. Isugra ba?
Nothing in the bag is wet. Nothing in the bag is wet.
Ayaw gamay.
Nako.
Naka?
Mm.
Ayan.
Essential lang dang dulang.